Welcome to today's video on the topic of innovations in composite materials. Composite materials are becoming increasingly popular and are being used in a wide range of industries, including aerospace, automotive, and construction. These materials offer unique properties and advantages, making them a preferred choice over traditional materials in many applications. One major innovation in composite materials is the development of carbon fiber composites. Carbon fibers are extremely strong and lightweight, making them ideal for applications where weight reduction is critical, such as in the aerospace industry. Carbon fiber composites are also highly resistant to corrosion and have excellent fatigue properties, making them durable and long-lasting. However, due to the high cost of carbon fibers, these composites are mainly used in high-performance applications. Another innovation in composite materials is the use of natural fibers as reinforcement. Natural fibers, such as bamboo, flax, and hemp, offer several advantages over traditional synthetic fibers. They are renewable, biodegradable, and have a lower carbon footprint compared to synthetic fibers. Natural fiber composites are also lighter and cheaper, making them an attractive alternative for applications where weight reduction and cost-effectiveness are important factors. Additionally, there have been advancements in the manufacturing processes of composite materials. One such advancement is the development of automated manufacturing techniques, such as additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing. This technology allows for the creation of complex composite structures with minimal waste. 3D printing also enables the production of customized and on-demand components, reducing lead times and costs. Lastly, advancements in nanotechnology have contributed to the development of nanocomposites. Nanocomposites are composite materials with nanoparticles dispersed throughout the matrix. These nanoparticles can enhance the mechanical, thermal, and electrical properties of the composites. For example, adding carbon nanotubes to epoxy resin can significantly increase its strength and conductivity. Nanocomposites are being utilized in various applications, including electronics, energy storage, and biomedical devices. In conclusion, innovations in composite materials have revolutionized many industries by offering lightweight, durable, and cost-effective solutions. From carbon fiber composites to natural fiber composites, and from additive manufacturing to nanocomposites, these materials continue to push the boundaries of what is possible in engineering and design. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more exciting innovations in composite materials in the future. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.